Hey dolls, so I am back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this hair. Super easy, quick install. If you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from Megalook hair, and inside of the box you get this pair of lashes, really cute. Also, they sent this clip and this scarf that is actually like a headband. They sent a edge brush, and then this is the wig. I did already go ahead and curl it, and I just used a curling iron to do so, which you will see me do in the front area. So I left the front how it was so we can style it together. So I'm just popping the wig on. This is a 2x6 closure, so it's only 2 inches wide and it goes 6 inches deep. So it's a really small closure, which means that the install process is going to be really fast. So I'm just going to take a clip and push the hair back. I did already pluck this wig and bleach it and all of that kind of stuff. So this is how the hairline is looking. I usually would go in and already cut off those little tabs on the sides, but I kind of forgot, so we will do that after I have already sprayed it down. And I'm just using the bedhead hairspray to adhere this wig down. So now I'm going to grab my scissors and cut off those little extra tabs. It's better to cut them off before you spray and blow dry the hair into place, because it is going to lay a lot better. Those extra pieces of lace on the side will not stick down as well as like one thin strip of lace, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that down, and then I go back in and spray the hairline in again before we go in with the blow dryer. I didn't use an elastic band for this install. I'm just using the rat tail piece of the comb and pressing the lace into my skin as I am blow drying it down, and this gets the melts done. Especially for a wig like this, it can be a really quick, easy install. So I'm going to take my super sharp scissors and go in and remove the excess lace. I really love these scissors because they are really sharp and very precise, and they're also small, so they're easy to work with. These are actually scissors from the sewing section. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. I think they're made by Swinger brand or something, like Singer or Swinger, something, y'all know. But yeah, those are the scissors that I am using. So once I cut off the excess lace, I'm just going back in and blow drying the hairline down once again. And now I'm going to go in and start styling the hair and put my part in place with this wig. A middle part is essential and just really easy to do. You can also shift the wig to whichever side if you prefer a side part. And I did kind of over bleach a little bit, so I will also show you how I can correct that as well. If you've seen in the front or the beginning clip, the hair looked really flawless and the part was really popping and crisp, but it is a little bit over bleached, so this is an easy way that you can fix it as well. So I'm just going to part the hair off. The part is going to look a little jagged because there is extra bleach. If you can see that spot right in the center, the part looks wider, and that is just because it's a little bit over bleached. But no worries, easy fix. You don't even have to go in with any hair dye or none of that and have to worry about getting it on your lace or anything. This is going to be the easiest way to fix an over bleached wig, closure, frontal, whatever. So I did layer this hair before I put it on and styled it. So I'm just going to take that top section and go in and layer it as well. And I'm just using some shears to do so. Really easy. You just want to glide the scissors down the hair so that it's shorter at the top and longer at the bottom. And then I'm going to use some hairspray on top of that before I go in and curl it. I did hairspray all of the hair as I was styling it so that it would have a nice hold, because as you can see, I am using a larger curling wand barrel just because I didn't want these curls to be too tight. I wanted a really nice, soft, pretty, loose kind of curl. So I'm just going to go in and curl the front section of my hair and any other little areas that I feel like need to be recurled as well. And this wig was just so easy and super fast to install. I had somewhere to go and I was able to get this wig done really quick and be out of the door. So I'm going to go in and curl the other side as well. And this hair is really, really pretty. It's super full. I love my Megalook wigs. This is the second one that I have got with a 2x6 closure, and I just love these kind of wigs because they are really fast and easy to install. Like, I could just pull them out at any time, lay the lace down, and be out the door, especially if the hair is already curled or straight or however I want to wear it. So I'm just using a wide tooth comb and combing through my curls, and you can see that these curls are really, really pretty and giving like a bombshell curl kind of vibe. So this is basically like a long bob wig. I believe I have a 16-inch, and I really like this kind of look. If I'm gonna do like a long bob, I like these really big loose kind of curls. So I'm just going back in once again with my comb and straightening up my parts even further and just making it nice and crisp. This does help to have your part be really sleek. You may have to go in a few times to repart your hair. And then I'm just combing out the front section of the hair with the little edge comb, because it's a lot smaller and easier to do. And once again, going in with my hot comb to lay everything down into place. Now, to perfect the part, this is very important. I'm going to be taking some concealer. This is just a concealer by MAC, and I'm just going to do a straight line down the middle of the parting area. And this is also going to have the parts to match with my skin tone or my scalp color more perfectly. And then I'm going to go in with my wrapping mousse and just place that in the area where I have put the concealer, so that the concealer can melt into the lace. Because if you don't do this step, it will kind of flash back on camera and it will look way too harsh. Definitely use some wrapping mousse. You can also use water for this step as well. And then I have grabbed an eyeshadow palette, and I'm just taking a black eyeshadow. You can use a dark brown, or, you know, depending on whatever color hair you're using, you can use whatever color matches. But I'm just using a black eyeshadow and an angled eyeshadow brush and going on those side pieces where it is a bit over bleached. And this also just makes the parts pop out and look super, super crisp and defined. So I'm just going to pat that into place. And you can see that the part is already looking so much better, and this wig just looks so much more bomb since I have done this step. Because at first I was like, damn, I ruined my lace because I over bleached a little bit, like it seeped through. But it was an easy fix, and I didn't have to worry about trying to re-dye the hair or worrying about hair dye getting on the lace or anything like that. This is the easiest way to do it, in my opinion. So I'm just going back in once again with my hot comb and just polishing everything off. At first I kind of wanted the hairline a little bit more pushed back, but since the closure area is so small and you have those little extra tabs there, it wasn't really giving what I was looking for, but I did finesse it. So I'm just going to cut those little pieces off even more because they are still kind of sticking out. And I do wish that they would put these closures above this area more so that the area would be more hidden, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm just going to go back in and spray with some more hairspray and lay down those side pieces where it was kind of lifting, and also just respray the hairline to get it nice and melted. And then I'm going to put a little bit of hair covering those little side tabs of the closure so that they are not visible. Like when the wind blows or anything, the hair is already down covering those pieces. And then I'm just playing around with the style to see what it's giving and just polishing everything off. So I'm going to kind of push the hair forward so that it covers the area, and then you can't really tell if it's a closure or a frontal or whatnot. I didn't do any baby hairs because I feel like this look just looked polished and sleek without any baby hairs. So yeah, this is a no baby hair style for anyone who doesn't like to do baby hairs, or if you don't know how to do them, this is a really easy, simple install. And I have a little bit of flyaways sticking up, so I am going to grab some hairspray just to polish that off, because sometimes even with the hot comb, it still won't lay them down if it's a really short little piece of hair. But once I hairspray it and pat it into place, it's perfect. This is the back of the hair. Really, really pretty, soft, pretty curls. And then you can also accessorize with the headband or whatever you prefer. I wanted to wear my Prada hat this day, so I am going to also show you how that looks as well. Or you could just wear the hair as is with no accessories or hat or anything like that. But yeah, this pretty much concludes the video and the finished look of this hair. If you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you dolls so much. Mwah.